You can install an AI agent directly on your computer today. It takes only a few minutes and requires no computer science background. To get started, we use the terminal. This is a text-based interface that lets you give instructions directly to your computer's operating system. Think of it as the control center for the files and programs we're about to build. Before we begin, we need to make sure your computer has a few basic tools in its toolkit. In software development, these are known as prerequisites. Taking a moment to understand these tools changes how you use your machine. You aren't just a passive user anymore, you are learning how to set up your own digital workspace. The first tool is Node.js. This is the engine that allows your computer to handle modern web and data interactions. You can check if you have it by typing node-v into your terminal. The V simply asks for the version number. Second is Python. This is a core programming language used to run the logic behind most AI tools. To verify this one, type python --version. If your computer responds with a number, you're ready. Finally, we need Git. This is a secure system for pulling code directly from the internet, so you know you're getting the official software. Type git --version to make sure this is set up. Checking these three tools now prevents errors later. Most installation problems happen because a computer was missing one of these basic engines. With those tools ready, we can start the installation. The computer does all the heavy lifting using one single line of code. This command starts with curl. It acts like a courier, fetching the software package from the Hermes website to your machine. Then a vertical line, a pipe, and bash hand the package to your computer's installer to unpack and build the files automatically. When you run this command, you'll see lines of text scrolling quickly. This is normal. It's just the terminal showing you each step of the build process as it happens. Understanding how a command fetches and builds software is core to the open source world. It gives you the ability to install many other powerful tools in the future. Once the scrolling stops, the files are on your hard drive. However, your current terminal window doesn't realize the new software has been added yet. We need to do a path refresh. This tells the terminal to update its memory so it can recognize the new commands we just installed. You'll type source./bashrc, or on a Mac, source./zshrc. This tells the terminal to read its instruction files one more time. This ensures that when you type Hermes later, the terminal knows exactly which files to run. Refreshing your terminal is a simple habit that makes you a more confident builder. It's the easiest way to make sure your computer sees your latest work. Now for the final check. We want to confirm that Hermes is installed and ready to work. Type Hermes-version into your terminal and press enter. As this diagram shows, you're sending a quick ping to the software. If everything is correct, Hermes will immediately reply with its current version number. Seeing that number confirms the installation was a success. Hermes is now recognized as a resident tool on your computer. Now it's your turn. Open your terminal and run these steps to get your own environment ready. With the installation finished, you have the core tools in place. In our next video, we'll connect Hermes to an AI model so you can start your very first conversation.